Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Apple iPhone XS from AT&T. Alright, so let's just go over what this unlocking will actually do. So this is for people that want to be able to use another company, another carrier. You're not happy with your current carrier and you want to be able to just freely change to a different carrier and not be tied down to any company or any contract. Keep in mind, if you do already have a contract in place, you'll have to finish that somehow, find a solution for it somehow, because it is a contract. But with this unlock, you will be able to use another carrier with your iPhone. So that's what it's for. It's to be able to unlock your phone to use it with other companies. Also, if you want to travel overseas to another country, you need to have your phone unlocked to be able to use it with those other companies overseas as well. So that's what this video is for. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so this Apple iPhone XS is from AT&T. Let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and remove the SIM card. So it's AT&T, let's put that down. Let's go ahead and place another SIM card in here so we can show you what happens. I'm gonna place a T-Mobile SIM. So let's go ahead and place that in the tray and in the phone. So as soon as you put in another SIM card that's not AT&T, if your iPhone is locked to AT&T, it's gonna take you to this screen right here where you have to connect to Wi-Fi or be connected to Wi-Fi. Hit continue, it's gonna try and activate. And then it's going to tell you that the SIM is not supported. All right, there we go. So it says SIM not supported. So this is the issue right here, the obstacle. Since the phone is locked, it's not going to allow it to work with another carrier. But that's what I'm going to show you and help you on doing. So let's go ahead and remove the T-Mobile SIM card really quickly. Let's just place it right here. All right, so what we're gonna be using is this unlock chip right here. It's a very thin, black little unlock chip. So this is gonna go right here in your SIM card tray. You're gonna place it in like this, like that. Okay, and then you're gonna place your SIM card right on top of it, like that. So, it's super thin, so you can't even tell there's anything in there. And then just place it back into your phone, whichever SIM card you want to use from whatever carrier. If you try and activate it here again, it's just gonna say SIM not supported once again. There we go. But now that we have the unlock chip in here, we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna press the power button. We're gonna hit emergency call. Here we're gonna press star 5005 star 7672 star 0#, and then hit the dial button. This menu right here is gonna come up. You're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom and hit edit ICCID. And here we're gonna type in the ICCID, which will also be down below in the description. So the chip to do this unlock and the ICCID will be down below in the description. So here you're gonna type in 8901 4104 2792 0258 7523. Then you're gonna hit send. It's gonna say setup okay, restart your phone now. So hit accept and restart the phone. Let's go ahead and hold the volume and power button and slide to power off. Give it a few seconds for it to power off and then just power it back on. All right, there we go. So the phone did power on now. Once again, it's gonna be here at this activation screen. Hit continue. And this time around, since we have the unlock chip in there with the correct ICCID, it's gonna unlock the iPhone XS. There we go. So it is unlocked. You can use your phone now normally, calls, texts, picture messages, internet, everything will work normally as it should, because the phone will now be unlocked. As you can see, it says T-Mobile now. And the other good thing about these new unlock chips now is that once the phone is unlocked, you can just go ahead and take it out. So let's go ahead and remove the T-Mobile chip. Let's remove the unlock chip. And let's place the T-Mobile SIM card back in there without the unlock chip. And as you can see, it unlocked it without the unlock chip. And you could do this with any other SIM card as well. Once the phone is unlocked, you could use any SIM card from any carrier that you wish to use, in the US or internationally as well. So there you go. That was a quick video on helping you to unlock your Apple iPhone XS from AT&T. Hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace.